Hi, my name is Gina. I am not an influencer. I am simply a consumer and I want to tell you about this product, even though it's backwards. Sorry about that. Anyway, this is the, what can I tell you this is? This is your best go-to when you've got an event or a big night out or just an occasion where you really want to look good, right? So I'm going to just show you a little bit about these and how to use them, and it's really quick, really simple, great results. Comes like this, comes with this little book that explains everything to you. And the one, my favorite, because if you have a look here at my neckline, if I go like that, you can see that this is kind of yuck, and this is definitely yuck. So my favorite, I'm going to show you, this is this one. Open it. When you open it and take it out of the box, it comes with this. Make sure you keep this, because when you reuse it, you'll put it back onto this pad. So here we go. Okay, simple. Take it out. And it looks like this. Gives you this little direction on which way to pull it, which is this way, which is you're going to pull it off the sticky side. Put that away, get that, just grab it, and where you think it's most comfortable, take that little bit off that I've got, and just press it down. Press down, simple, nothing. Can't feel anything, it's all good. Now, this is my favorite one. I'm 61 years old, so I'm going to have some wrinkles. That's okay. This company makes products for your forehead, for your eyes, for your lines here. They have lots of products. So, but like I said, I'm 61 years old. I don't want to get around looking like, mutton dressed up as lamb or whatever that saying is. So, then the neck one, same deal. Cut it open. This time I'll do the scissors better. Pull it out. And like I showed you before with the little pink sticker, the sticky side is what you're going to be using. And I am going to definitely be applying to my neck. Push it in there. Push it in there. Get your hair out of the way. Oops. Ouch. Should have watched that. Ow. It's my hair that's out. It's all right. So I'm just going to push this and make sure. And that's my main problems, right? Or I shouldn't say problems, they're just, I've got lots of V-neck tops and stuff like that I really would like to wear, and I have over the years become quite self-conscious of this. I've used lotions, I still use lotions, I use lotions and potions. I've had treatments done, I've had lasers done, I've done everything, and nothing actually gets rid of those lines. It softens them, make no mistake. Often the creams will soften the wrinkles, make your skin feel nice, but you've still got these really obvious wrinkles. So this, I'm going to pause now, and then when I take it off, you'll be able to see that I will be nearly wrinkle-free. feels so much better. Yes. And there, as you can see, I'll even move it up closer. There's no line. So yeah, so that's as smooth as, and now I will go and do my hair and do my face and wear a V-neck top, because I can. So have a good day. Don't forget this product. And it's, but did I mention that it's really good value as well? It's not expensive, lasts for ages. And like I said, it gives you this instant result. Well, overnight result. And you can wear whatever you want. So, and you feel good. So, yeah, ladies, go to when you need to go somewhere special. If you just need to feel special, use these. Thanks. See ya.